Life often feels like a loop. Wake up, check your phone, waste hours, feel guilty, and repeat. Days slip by, turning into months, and suddenly, another year is gone. The worst part? You know you need to change, but somehow, you never do. It's like you're stuck, trapped in a cycle of distractions, procrastination, and lost motivation. The clock keeps ticking, pushing you forward, but you're standing still. You see others moving ahead, leveling up, while you feel like you're falling behind. But what if you could hit the reset button? What if you could wipe the slate clean and start fresh? Imagine a giant reset button in front of you. Right now you have two choices: stay where you are, stuck in the same old patterns, or press it and take back control. The first step? Declutter your mind and environment. Get rid of distractions, delete unnecessary apps, set screen limits, and unfollow negativity. Your space affects your mindset, so clear out the clutter and create a space for growth. Next, build a power routine. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day, so start strong. Move your body, plan your day, and feed your mind with something valuable, whether it's reading, learning a new skill, or setting clear goals. A structured routine gives you momentum. But the biggest secret to lasting change? The 1% rule. You don't need massive overnight transformations. Just get 1% better every day. Read one page, do one push-up, learn one new thing. Small improvements compound over time and lead to massive results. The problem isn't that you don't know what to do. The problem is waiting for the perfect time to start. Here's the truth: there is no perfect time. The only time is now. Restart your life, take that first step, and build momentum. Because no one is coming to save you, you have to save yourself. The reset button is right in front of you. Are you ready to press it?